Makita DUB363ZV twin 18-volt, 36-volt LXT brushless blower. Honest, real results reviewed. You know that Sunday afternoon where you are staring at a yard buried under wet, heavy leaves and your gas blower refuses to start after 20 solid minutes of cord pulling? I lived that exact moment 3 consecutive falls in a row. Type me if that specific frustration has ever completely ruined an afternoon you were genuinely looking forward to. Because there is a better way, and it starts instantly. Here is what nobody actually talks about. That suffocating combination of gas fumes, engine noise loud enough to wake the entire street, and a machine needing a seasonal tune-up before every single use does not just waste your Saturday morning. It quietly steals the enjoyment from the work itself entirely. But somewhere nearby, the people with clean driveways and full compost bins already quietly figured this out without telling anyone. Then I plugged in the Makita DUB363ZV twin 18-volt, 36-volt LXT brushless blower, and the whole situation changed immediately. Don't just pick any cordless blower. Make sure it has a twin battery brushless motor system so you never feel that humiliating power drop mid-job on wet, heavy, compacted leaves ever again. 2 18-volt LXT batteries running simultaneously deliver 36 volts of real force, pushing air to approximately 124 miles per hour and moving up to 530 cubic feet per minute of volume, which is output that genuinely rivals a 25cc petrol engine without a single drop of fuel or a pull cord anywhere in sight. The cruise control locks your chosen speed so your trigger finger never cramps during a long autumn cleanup session. The variable speed dial takes you from gentle over flower beds to maximum force over concrete paths in one smooth movement. And here is what surprised me most completely. One nozzle swap flips this from blower to vacuum, mulching leaves directly into a 50-liter collection bag in real time. A landscaping crew member using this daily on a university campus called it easily the best battery blower he had ever used professionally on the job. XPT sealing keeps dust and moisture entirely out of the motor, so damp morning conditions are never once a concern for the internals. Here is how the transformation actually plays out once you commit to using the Makita DUB363ZV twin 18-volt, 36-volt LXT brushless blower consistently across your property maintenance routine. First, cleanup time drops sharply because 530 cubic feet per minute of sustained airflow moves wet, clumped leaves on the first pass, rather than the fourth frustrating attempt. That recovered time translates into clearer thinking and sharper focus on everything that follows. Your visible results compound week over week because the property simply looks different and stays that way longer. A senior grounds maintenance professional managing large commercial properties for over 2 decades confirmed that paired with 5.0 amp-hour batteries, a full morning shift is achievable without any measurable drop in power output from start to finish. That is not casual praise. That is 2 decades of direct professional comparisons speaking with complete authority. A respected outdoor power equipment reviewer who tested dozens of competing cordless blowers named the seamless blower-to-vacuum conversion and the cruise control lock as the genuine standout differentiators in the current cordless segment. One residential property owner reported their neighbors actually thanked them personally for switching away from gas. Let that land for a moment. The honest objection worth naming. On the highest setting with standard 5.0 amp-hour packs, runtime sits at approximately 15 to 20 minutes per pair, so having a second set of batteries ready for larger properties is genuinely smart preparation, rather than a frustrating deal-breaker. The brushless motor compensates meaningfully by delivering completely consistent power right through to the final minute, rather than fading gradually as brushed alternatives do. Which result matters most to you right now? Comment 1 for raw blowing power. 2 for vacuum and mulching capability, or 3 for quiet neighborly operation during early mornings while others are working. Join the ones who already made the quiet switch from gas to something cleaner, genuinely quieter, and far more satisfying to use across every season. The Makita DUB363ZV twin 18-volt, 36-volt LXT brushless blower delivers gas-rivaling power, a seamless blower-to-vacuum conversion, brushless long-term efficiency, and the entire Makita LXT ecosystem working behind it reliably year after year. I have dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it at the top of the comments. No pressure at all. Just look when you are ready. Your yard already knows exactly what it needs.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.